COVID pool testing is simple, quick, and will always be done under the supervision of teachers or other classroom helpers. Here's what students and parents need to know for the program to be a success. If a student is absent the day of pool testing or uneasy about taking the test, they'll be skipped until the following week's tests. With COVID pool testing, cleanup comes first. First, your teacher or another classroom helper will help you blow your nose to clear your nostrils before you swab them. After you throw the tissue away, use hand sanitizer to clean your hands for 20 seconds. Then take one swab and open the paper wrapper where it says pull by peeling the two sides apart. Stop peeling when the package is about half open. Take the swab out and make sure that you never touch the soft cotton side of the swab. Then swab each of your nostrils. The swab only needs to go high enough into your nostril so that you can't see the cotton end. It'll feel funny, but turn the swab in a circle 3 times around your entire nostril. Then do the other nostril the same way, 3 circles all the way around. A teacher, nurse, or classroom helper will show you the tube where to put your swab. Put the cotton side of the swab into the tube first. Then use the hand sanitizer again to wash your hands for 20 seconds. That's it. You're all done.